Okay, so we have created one tab here. Now let's create another and add some more visualizations. So to add another page, we'll just simply have to click on this plus and it will give us a blank page. So firstly, I want to tell you an important thing is that in each and every visual, as you see here, if you click on them, they have different field sections here. Like for bar graph, it shows access, legend, value, color. For any pie chart, it will show different fields. For any scatter chart, it will show different fields. So I strongly recommend you to go to each and every chart up here and see what kind of fields they require and try to play with the data by putting the values in different fields here. This will really help you understand it very well that what kind of chart requires what kind of data to be put up here in this fields panel. Okay, so coming back to our lecture, let's just create some more visuals. So first, okay, we have selected this scatter chart. Let's add some values in it. So first of all, let's add country in the details section. Now we have to, it is required to fill this x-axis and y-axis. So in the x-axis, we want to see the sales values. Let me just make it in the focus mode, and in the y-axis I want to add the total number of quantities ordered. So here in the x sales it is showing in the x-axis, in the y it is showing the quantity ordered, and we have these scattered bubbles everywhere. If you have, this is just sample small data. If you have large data, it will, the all these bubbles will be scattered all over this place. Now another good part of this scatter chart is provides this different fields for size and this color saturation play axis. So if I want to make these bubbles size increase or decrease on the basis of their sales, I have to put this sales in the size field, and now you can see the bigger size, which is country USA, having the most number of sales, has the biggest bubble up here, and the lowest bubble, smallest bubble, is in the last. Now what I want to see is on the basis of dates there should be an play axis on it. So let me just show you live how this works. Now I have this order date and I'll add it into the play axis. Now let me show you how good this really works. As you can see in the bottom, there's a play axis from 2003, which was the first date of our data, to 2005. So this is a play axis. So when you click on this play button like this, now it as per the dates, it is showing which country is going having the most sales as of date. So it will just simply go just like this into each and every day. We can of course filter these on the basis of months or years. As of now it is showing the total number of days each day, so it will take a long time from going from 2003 to 2005. But this is a really very handy and a very rich visual if you want to show the data going on the basis of time. So this is really very handy tool. I really suggest you to use this if you have any time values as well. So this is how it works. I'll pause it for now and we'll go back. Just let me make it bigger. I'll let you know some more formatting in this visual in our coming sections. So next, just let's add an area chart. Area chart is simply a line chart, but in place of the lines, the area will be totally filled with color. So country, and I'll add some price and the total quantities ordered in the values section. So these are total quantities ordered. Let me open it in the focus mode so you can see easily. These are the countries and these are the total quantities of ordered of the products. Now let me add the price of each. So we can add multiple in the value section. So now it is, this field is really very handy if you want to compare between two fields. So now in the legend, as you can see, it is showing the price of each product and the quantities ordered. So in each country we can see the comparison. If I just click on the area chart, it will show it in the total area will be filled. So this is our area chart. Let me add a bar chart. It is a clustered bar chart, and I'll add a total customers names and total sales done by the customers. Here it is. We can easily just scroll down here, all the way down to all the way up. Pretty easy. Waterfall chart is very important chart when you want to make comparisons on the basis of your sales. If your sales data is increasing or decreasing, it will show the breakdown of values. So let's add our, on the basis of country, I want to see the increase or decrease of our sales. So I'll click on sales, and when you see, as you can see now, these are the total countries, and the biggest bar is showing the highest number of sales. If we have any values in the negative, this green will be turned into the red, which will show the decrease. So as of now, we don't have anything in the negative, so it is showing all the green bars only. So this was our tutorial on the inbuilt visualizations which Power BI provide. In the next section, we will learn how to format them, because it's really very important. You know, these visuals won't look very good if you just keep them as it is. We really want to format them so that they look pretty good, and Power BI provides a lot of things to format them and make them really good. Thank you guys for being with me till here. I would really appreciate if you would take some time out to leave your review. That would be really helpful for this course. So, till that time, keep learning, keep practicing Power BI, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.